Where in the world is Bonnie Roseman? Well, Palm Beach County's own fashion designer, stylist, and wardrobe architect is buzzing all over the country to let us know about fantastic events and virtual destinations wherever they may be. Now here's Bonnie.
Again, there's so much happening virtually online. I feel so grateful that I can share so many interesting things with all of you all across the country. Ivette Norwood Tiger is doing her living room jazz concert on Facebook Livestream Tuesday, July 28th at 7:30. And go check out the schedule for the virtual Summer Performing Arts Series. Go to palmbeachculture.com/summer. You know that Legend's very own Jill and Rich Schweitzer will be performing August 1st at 7 o'clock, and Murray Zev will be performing on August 15th. The Nantucket Atheneum Dance Festival, called Dance Festival Reimagined, through July 25th. And go to nantucketdancefest.org, or on Facebook, it's Nantucket Atheneum Dance Festival. Another very exciting event, a live telethon on July 26th from 6 p.m. till 8 p.m. is an event that is to benefit the Theater Workshop of Nantucket. Go online to theaternantucket.org for details. They'll have some wonderful stars from Hollywood and Broadway, and it should be a wonderful event to watch. And I'm excited that I'm continuing my second season of Bonnie Roseman's Fashion Buzz. From Nantucket, I will be filming on Tuesdays and Thursdays live on Facebook at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'm available for FaceTime appointments as well, all on an individual basis at 917-209-0516. I have my own YouTube channel called Bonnie Roseman's Fashion Buzz, where you can see over 50 segments of fabulous fashion tips and incredible treasures from my collection of clothing and accessories. And I'd love to help you, so please give me a call. And remember, feel good, but look even better.